Hello, this is Paula Joy. I am with the Money Market, your Amazon for mortgage solutions. Today I'm going to talk about the VA loan. What is a VA loan? It's a Veteran Administration loan given to people who have served the country, the United States, in any form in the military. So if you're watching this or you know someone who has served the country, this great country, in one form or another, this is a loan for them. This loan, you can qualify without any money down. It's pretty lenient. The LTV is at 100%. That means zero down. And the debt to income ratio is pretty generous as well. That means you can qualify with very lenient terms. Your credit might not even be the best credit, but you qualify because America wants to appreciate you for serving the country. So it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter whether you're in an expensive county or inexpensive county, and it doesn't matter which part of the United States you are in. You qualify so long as you have served this great country in one way or the other. So thanks for watching this. If you have any questions and you'd like to learn more about the program, and I think I forgot to talk about whether you're buying or refinancing, you qualify. Let's say you bought a property last year for $800,000, and now it's worth $900,000 or $1 million. You can decide to take out all that money, all that equity at 100% and leave nothing in the property. This is a great country, wouldn't you agree? And now you can go buy another property somewhere else, right, with the equity that you pulled out. My goodness, we live in the United States of America. So God bless you as you serve the country, and now is the time for you to make money. Thanks for watching.